So for my birthday, Dallas asked me what I wanted to do, and since we're in quarantine, I said let's just take a drive. There was a little dog he found a couple days ago, and he's been on my mind, so we're just gonna go down this road and see if he's still there.
That little Chihuahua, and look at this little guy. I don't even know what he is. Let me see your face, bud. I think that lets see his face. He's a badge. Hey, buddy.
I got you. So this is what we're working with. Skin and bones. He's got a collar on that's for a while.
Look at that. Took to get comfortable on this sheet.
So look at the gaping. This is all, look at that. It's just hanging on him. He's lost all this weight in this collar. Okay, come out here. Come on, you can do it, boy. This collar.
At one point in time, that collar fit him.
And we're taking this. And now he's down to half of it. Good boy. Augie's doing so much better. His sores are healing. They're slowly healing. Like here's one. It's all healthy and soft. So we just find the little spots that he likes, and we still love damaged body. We have another little dog that's terrified to come in the house. You're okay. There's a step.
This little Augie boy. Just having a little sunbathing day. Huh? Feeling it.
That's your fault.
Having a good day, buddy? Huh?
So much better. He's groomed. Little sores are healing. He is just turning.
Playful and so cute.
Augie getting some good belly rubs.
Where's your smile, buddy?
Where's your cheesing? What happened to your big cheeser?
A hard one. Good. We love Augie Doggy. Like the same dog does it. He's so. Augie's taking his day. So proud of this little boy. Last leg, getting on the airplane.
Potty break at the airport.
To the new family.
First leg.